Hi guys, it's me again, Miko, and this time I'd like to try the song from Maroon 5, the song Payphone. I'm at the payphone trying to call home all of my change I spent for you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? I know it's hard to remember people we used to be. It's even harder to picture that you're not here next to me. Is it too late to make it? Is it too late to try? And in our time that we wasted, all of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my night to turn out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in the time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at the payphone trying to call home all of my chains I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sick. Turn your back on tomorrow, 'cause you forgot yesterday. I gave you my love to borrow, but you just gave it away. You can't expect me to be fine, I don't expect you to care. I know I've said it before, but all of our bridges burned down. You wasted my nights, I turned out the lights. Now I'm paralyzed, still stuck in that time when we called it love. But even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at the payphone trying to call home all of my chains I spent on you. Where have the times gone, baby? It's all wrong. Where are the plans we made for two? If happy ever after did exist, I will still be holding you like this. And all those fairy tales are full of it. One more stupid love song, I'll be sad. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good time.